Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change font size on Telegram. Friends, if you face any difficulty in reading message in Telegram chat, then you can simply increase font size in Telegram Messenger. Now to increase font size, you simply need to press on these three lines. Now here you need to press on settings. In settings, press on chat settings. Now here the font size is set on 18 by default. Now to increase the font size, you simply need to drag this. I am setting it on 24. Now as you can see, it has increased the font size in the chat window. So friends, like this you can very easily change your font size in Telegram Messenger. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.